I'm Craig Heiser with Cardinal Gates. We get a lot of requests from customers about how to prevent dogs and cats from bolting out of the front door when you hear a knock and you get a package. Well, what do you know? Thank you. Sorry, Mack. So as you can see, I've used our retractable gate. I've installed the cartridge on the trim of the door. I've installed the latch brackets on the back of the door. So you can remove this and not have it in place, or anytime you want, you open your front door, and it's going to prevent any dogs or cats from running out of your house. So you can always just take this off if you want to keep that on the wall and not have it on the back of the door. It's not a big deal, you just unlatch it. So it's really important if you set your retractable gate up as a door fence like this to always have this disengaged. You'll see the red. That means it's free to move back and forth. If it's lock's engaged, it won't. So you always want to just have this, push that little tab, pull that up, and it's good to go.